brother. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thank you very much. And after a long time. So how are you? How's going your day?
Yeah, it was good. Thank you. Yeah, great. Great days. Asking.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
and
brother,
you?
where are you?
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. I live in the capital city of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Okay.
Okay, that's good. So who are you? Are you a student and doing job?
Yeah, I'm a student of class 10. I'm in grade 10. I'm a examining and I will give the examination after maybe 3 months because of the COVID-19. I am now in home at home and
Mhm.
I am not going to school. Just I am studying at home. Okay,
What kind of doing a study? 10th, 12th, 15? Uh-huh.
10th grade, 10th.
Okay, 10th grade. Okay, that's good. Oh, I see. So please tell me about yourself, like why you are learning English language. What is the reason? Because you are just, and I think
Yeah.
so it's very important in future. So what is the reason? Please tell me.
Yeah, sure. Actually, my reason is I want to be a web developer professionally and a good web developer. Okay, this is why I'm learning English. Without learning English, I can't talk to my client if I want to get a job in another country like US. In time, I must need to know English. Without English, I can't get or find out a job in other countries. So I'm learning, and without English, I can talk to my clients and something like that. Okay,
Oh, I
and easier otherwise in our day-to-day life, right?
see. Yeah, right. Absolutely, you're right, brother. And you're doing great. I mean, you are so young, man. Seriously, like you are doing a study in 10th class. So right now you have a lots of time. We can say 5 to 6 year. And this period,
Yeah,
brother, you will improve yourself. This is your, we can say, starting point. And right now you are speaking with me. Basically you are understanding and you are speaking politely with me. So this is, good thing for you. Just keep
yeah,
going, do hard work,
yeah,
talk to more and more. Yeah. So by the way, can you, yeah, tell me. Mm-hmm.
yeah. Now, and I didn't understand fast. Maybe 3 months ago, I don't understand any English movies Western, but Indian English movies I did understand. Okay, now I understand properly without any subtitles. It's bringing
Oh,
me crazy.
okay.
Yeah.
So, brother, like, what kind of movie you love to most of time? Like, what kind of movie you want to watch? What kind of like Bollywood and Hollywood?
Yeah, Hollywood sometimes, and it's Hallmark, like Hallmark maybe. Yeah, like
Okay.
Remember Your Ghost, then Teenage Bang. If you watch Teenage Bang Heist, you will learn a lot. Okay, in that movie
Oh,
there are lots of things.
okay.
Yeah, I just watched time and I got everything from that movie. Okay, it was incredible in my life. Okay, I didn't understand so easy.
Oh, I see. Even brother, I love to Hollywood movie. Whenever I get a free time, so I prefer to watch a Hollywood movie. It's gonna help for improvement. It's gonna help for like understanding pronunciation and vocabulary, and we can say a culture. So all you don't believe me,
Yeah,
brother. I watch around 2000 movie, a Hollywood movie. I love to.
yeah,
I
I
do
was
not.
love.
I do not prefer to Bollywood because in Bollywood industry we can say see, I'm living in India in Mumbai, so here are like Bollywood industry. So I don't like I don't watch a Bollywood movie because no benefit. So that's why reason nowadays I'm learning English language. That's why reason I'm watching a movie. It's a huge of amount. We can say like any series, any Hollywood movie, like we can say adventure movie trailer, fantasy, like we can say. And I love to series, brother. I love to series.
Yeah,
Do you know like maybe you watch a Friends series and tell me.
yeah, I like adventure movies, and sometimes I like to watch American news, American live stream on Facebook. Okay, that's
Oh,
really great. I understand everything. So uh, when I go to British English, and that time I feel a little bit nervous. I don't understand everything. I don't know why. It's a
yeah, because
little bit to
yeah,
understand British
because what
English.
happened? What happened in British accent over there whenever we try to watch a Hollywood movie? So sometimes we confuse pronunciation or accent because they are native Twitter and they have a good command. They have a good accent, and we are speaking like we can say like not native, but in your culture in your country Bangladeshi. I don't know like how to use accent over there. What kind of going on? Accent about English language. But if you talk about especially in India, so here is like our own accent. We create our own accent about English language. Right now, I'm speaking.
Yeah,
This is my own
yes,
accent. I not Yeah, tell me.
yeah, yeah. The world, I mean, rest of the world, they like to talk to their own accent, like Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, these countries. And
Yes, yes. See,
beside
my.
every
Mhm.
region has their own accent, like
Yeah,
Irish, Australian, British,
yes,
and Africa. So
yes.
yeah, beside
But brother,
every
in my
has
point of
some.
view, yeah, in my point of view, like action is doesn't matter. First thing, just build your thought, build your improvement. We can say like build your communication, then shift to action. Nowadays I seen a lots of people, brother. Nowadays people are trying to learn an English language. They immediately jump. They immediately try to learn an accent. They do not understand at least clear to basically what do you mean by English language. Just clear basically, then go to learn an accent. Accent is not difficult. If you watch a 1 month 2 month a movie about accent like British accent, Australian accent, automatically you will get idea. They are using a like end of like show and end of like for I don't remember. I don't have any about knowledge properly accent, but I can tell like accent is not important, especially if you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
a own. If you have a own, then present your idea in front of people. Just
yeah,
learn a, just convert to intermediate about English language. Yeah.
yeah. Right. And just choose on accent and do practice on that accent. Then, if you understand only one accent, then you will be able to understand another accents
Mhm.
day after days and slowly, but surely.
See, brother, before I told you, like, just we have to understand English language. What do you mean by that? Then after that, shift out little bit, try to learn an accent. Like British, we can say, and Australia and Canadian, like that. Accent is not important. Important is your thought, your idea, your communication, how to talk, how to speak up politely. This is important. If you understand or not understand, this is very important. Some people show off like about action, like they have a good command for action, so they try to show off like I'm a belong to British, I'm belong to like England, anywhere, but they try to show off. So I think this is not good. you know Especially just
Yeah,
try to learn English, and whoever is speaking a hesitation and low confidence, just try to participate, just try to communicate each other. and try to talk easily, like you should, learn this thing, and don't speak fast and slow like that. People have a
Yeah,
confidence, they try to speak
yeah,
fastly. Yeah.
yeah. You don't need to speak fast, speak
Yes.
fluently. Just
Yeah.
speak. Uh, People can understand, and you don't need to speak fastly or fluently, because just speak. People under If people understand, then it is good for you, for
Yeah.
everyone.
Yeah, right. See, if you speak slowly, then you will, get a better progress, we can say. You will understand what I'm trying to tell. Whenever you try to speak slowly, you will understand. Like, oh my God, I'm using, this word. I think this is not good for me, and my pronunciation is not good. You will realize, you can hear your voice. Like, I can speak right and wrong. You understand whenever you try to speak slowly. So this is good way, brother. Like, whenever we try to learn, whenever we try to speak in front of people, so at least try speak slowly. This is good way to learn. Seriously, we can learn many things. We can understand
Yeah,
our story, we can understand our pronunciation whenever we try to speak slowly. See, brother, one of idioms we can say, slow progress but better progress. This is idiom I learned. I don't know where I learned from. Okay, but it's truly, it's effectively, brother. Whenever we try to speak slowly, you will get automatically get what I'm telling, what I'm talking in front of. So this is good way,
yeah,
brother. Seriously. Even sometime I explain myself about slowly, like I'm going to talk with you. What should I ask? And where are you calling? Like that. I'm trying to speak slowly. But if you talk about another people, whoever command for English language, they just try to, like fastly and rapidly and fancy word.
yeah.
See, communication,
They
we
want
can
to
say, understanding
show
each other.
people that can. Yeah,
Yeah. We can say, brother, communication means what? First thing, just we clarify, we understand communication is what. Like, you and me, we understand each other. So this is, we can say, communication, good communication. Just
yeah,
conversation. If you understand, then we can say this is good conversation. That's why reason people are trying to learn. People are attracted about English language. English, we can say, like, make a something new, make a, polish your mind, and in your society, in your culture, people try to correct you, people try to, attract with you, if you have a good skill about communication, about English language. So this is very important, everywhere. So that's why, region, brother, we are learning, we came here and we are understanding each other, we are talking each other, we are sharing each other about your culture, about my culture, about little bit English language,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Obviously.
So anyway, brother, I have to, like, we have to stop here because our video is going too lengthy. And thank you very much for connecting with me. And it was amazing conversation. Seriously, I'm happy with you. Like, first time, I talked with you
Have,
and it was amazing. And
yeah,
seriously,
thank
you have a time, brother. You have a time, you can learn. You have a 6 year. Right now, you are doing a study in 10th class. I hope so. You will get a fluency in future within a short period, 1 and 2 years. Just keep going, do hard work. Automatically, you will get. Okay.
yeah. Pray for me.
Yeah. Yeah, of course, brother. Don't worry. In future time, if possible, I will connect with you again. Definitely, you are a great person. Just keep
It
going,
will
do
be
hard work.
great
Yeah.
to use of you. Okay.
Yes, yes. So thank
Good
you very
night.
much. Yeah, good night. Bye bye. See you soon. We will meet next video. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank-
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.